Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this very important video, we are going to show you how you can get this $15,000 worth of credit card with no effect on your credit score when it comes to pre-approval. Remember, this is a very important video because you are going to get this $15,000 credit card and you will see your decision right there at the spot without affecting your credit score. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to watch that video when we upload it, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel. So let's start the video and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! So congratulations, here's the opportunity for you, and this time is from NASA Federal Credit Union. Yes, we are going to review their credit cards for you which you can get with no impact to your credit score as a pre-approval or pre-qualification. Remember that this is indeed a very important video for millions of people who are in dire need of a credit card right now, whether they have bad credit, no credit, or they have great credit but they don't want to affect their credit score when it comes to seeing the decision about their credit card. Remember that NASA Federal Credit Union has been here for several years and they are one of the finest in the market right now. But you know what? You cannot just get one credit card from them. There are various credit cards, and let us show you, and we will go through the step-by-step guide, means how you can apply these credit cards. So make sure you don't miss any part from this video and you watch this video till the end. So let's click on the credit cards and see what sort of options they have for us. And here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So when you click on it, there are several credit cards that you can apply and we will review them, but first we will tell you in short what the names of their credit cards. The first one is Earn Rewards, the second one is Get Cashback, the third one is Low Fixed Rate, the fourth one is Show Trickle Pride, and there's only 4 actually, right? So let's get back to it and let us review the first one. The first one is the rewards card. You can get $1 to $1 reward. Earn 1 points for every dollar you spend on purchases, then redeem your points for travel, merchandise, and gift cards. We will go into that, but what is this? You can see that it says no impact, no impact, no impact to your credit score. This is indeed one of the best things and one of the amazing things that we personally love, and we all know that the Credit Oaks subscribers as well, they love these sort of options. Well, yes, when you apply for this credit card, it doesn't matter which one you apply for, from 4 of them, there is no impact to your credit score. And yeah, this is indeed a very big opportunity. Remember that we were talking about the first credit card. It says 1-to-1 rewards, no extra fee, means there's no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, and no foreign transaction fee. We love these perks because these perks makes a credit card very manageable, and at the same time it will show the intentions of that financial institutions as well, that they are here to serve the people. The rates are as low as 13.15% and as low as 8.4 APR for the life of all balance transfer. You have the peace of mind according to them because they have protection. You can lock and unlock the capability, means your credit card 24/7. You can have emergency assistance, fraud protections, extended warranty coverage, everything is included. Now let's get back to the cashback card. Well, it says you can get unlimited cashback, earn 1.5% cashback on every purchase you make. View sample rewards as well, means like there's a tab, you can see the sample rewards, and we'll show you each and everything right here. Well, next one is flexible redemption options. The next one is no extra fee. Yes, no annual fee, no balance transfer fee as the previous card as well, and the rate as low as 16.99%. Now the next one is low fixed rate as low as 12.4% APR and as low as 8.4% APR for the life of all balance transfer. There's no extra fee, no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, and no foreign transaction fee. There's a peace of mind protection, means you can unlock and lock your capability that we mentioned earlier, so we're not gonna go there again. Right, now there is a show Trekkie Pride. This card, well, one of the cards that we love, the only card for true Star Trek fans. So if you are a Star Trek fan, you can get this card. You can choose from 4 authentic designs, that's what they call it. Well, they're technically designs, I don't know what they mean by authentic designs. Well, earn points with every purchase, your points never expire, limited time cashback offer, get $300, 300 free money, 300 cash when you spend $2,000 in the first 90 days. It's 2-year grocery and other things. In the 3 months you're gonna get $300. Well, this is indeed a very good opportunity. You can earn extra points as well, get 3x points on StarTrek.com. Well, if you're a Star Trek fan, you are going to go there. We are not going to discuss this in further because this is not really exciting thing though. Exciting rewards options, and of course you can use your points towards Star Trek merchandise purchase, peace of mind protection as we mentioned earlier, 24/7 capabilities, and there's low annual fee, means there is an annual fee. $39 per year gets you exclusive access. Well, in my personal view, this card is good, but we don't like the card with the annual fee personally, so I believe the card that I'll pick it might be the get cashback card. Well, because I love cashback. Right, so what do you think about this credit card, and let us see how the application will look like. So let us see what you can do and how you can fill out the application step by step, and let's go to the application, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's check. So when you click on it, this form will open. Let me zoom in right here so you can see it. And it says that you need to put your first name, your last name, your cell phone number, your email address, your annual income, your employment status, your home address, city, state, zip, citizenship, date of birth, mortgage or rent payment. And there are 2 disclaimers right here. Remember, I love this and we all love this. Checking your rate will not affect your credit score, means there will be no effect to your credit score, pardon me. And this is indeed a very big opportunity for millions of people who are always worried about their credit score. So if you have any questions, you can always ask us in the comments below, and remember that you can add co-borrower as well. And one more thing, that you know that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is click on the subscribe button right now, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to smash the like button, as it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us as well. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.